This social media strategy may have just changed the game for all print-on-demand sellers. Finally, you may be able to keep up with sellers bringing in thousands of sales every month, all with a bit of free marketing. Of course, this is assuming your designs are good and your prices are competitive. I have many videos going over those topics. A quick thank you to Gelato for sponsoring this video. More on them later. I'm going to show you a step-by-step method that you can use to find viral content ideas. Blend them with your niche and get thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of views. It's fair to say the hardest part about print on demand is getting sales. We can all design a basic text design. We can all upload to a printing platform, but suddenly, all our hopes and dreams come crashing down when it comes to actually getting sales. I'm going to be making a series of videos detailing different ways for you to promote your products and get ongoing sales. So if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button and help me get to 100,000 subscribers. And don't forget to hit that bell notification so you know when those other videos land. For now, let's split this video up into 3 parts: research, creation, execution. Part 1 is research. For this method, we're going to focus on Reels on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. Firstly, we need to do some research into what music is currently trending and what style of video is currently going viral. Start by setting yourself a 1-hour timer. This is a vital step because if you do this without setting a timer, you might come out of the infinite scrolling universe in 5 hours or 5 years and not realize what's even happened. Open up Instagram and go to the Reels page. There's a few things you want to take note of here: likes, comments, and whether or not the audio is trending. If you can see a particular reel has a lot of likes and a lot of comments, that's a great sign. Ask yourself, could you possibly create something similar but in your niche? What I have found is the easiest kind of reels to recreate are photo slideshows like this. Come across all types of songs and videos. Some might be really helpful tips like this. And don't forget, as you're scrolling down researching, make sure you're saving those trending sounds for later. I do this entire process in a more streamlined way to make it as fast as possible. I'll set myself a 5-minute timer. I'll start recording my phone screen, I'll open Instagram, I'll go to Reels and swipe through until I find a reel easy enough to recreate. Does it have likes? Does it have comments? Is the audio trending and relevant? And can I easily recreate this in my niche? If all those things are ticked, I'll stay on the reel whilst my phone is recording that video and sound, then I'll scroll down to the next one. In about 5 minutes, I can generally get 10 to 20 different reel ideas. This is important. I know I've said it already, but make sure to save your sounds as you go, otherwise you'll just have a screen recording and no saved audio, which is vital for the last step. Step 2, creation. Let me quickly tell you about our sponsor today, Gelato, and a pretty incredible offer that they have going at the moment. Gelato is running a limited time offer on their Gelato Plus Gold subscription. It's really cool, and if you're already selling a whole bunch, then this could save you a whole bunch of money and potentially even give you that unique edge to help you make more money. Shipping is always a difficult topic with print on demand because it can be slow and expensive. And if you want to offer free shipping to the customer, you're going to have to bear that cost yourself. Well, with Gelato Plus Gold, you can get free shipping on all apparel orders in the USA until December 31st. You can also get free shipping on all orders in Europe until December 31st, and you can get free shipping on all your Black Friday orders. Basically, free shipping for the holidays. This means you can offer free shipping to your customers without having to bear that cost for each individual item during this insane selling season. Now, as well as that, there are so many other benefits that you get by using Gelato Plus Gold. You'll get access to all the stock imagery and pretty much everything else. But for now, I'm literally just talking about the shipping because that in itself is such an amazing offer. Gelato Plus Gold is currently $299 a month, and you can cancel at any time. Use this as an opportunity to stand out and drive more sales. And as well as that, Gelato have offered a special discount for my viewers. If you use the code SHIMMYXMAS, all in caps, you can get 60% off your first order if made within 3 days of signing up. This is awesome for ordering test products or even just ordering a ton in bulk and selling them yourself in Christmas markets or wherever you want really. Click the link below in the description or the link in the first comment to redeem this really cool offer. For now, let's get back to the video. Step 2, creation. The next thing we want to do is import that screen recording from our phone to our computer. With an iPhone, I just use AirDrop. For this example, I'm going to use CapCut on my laptop. There's also an iPhone and an iPad app, but I find it hard working from such a small screen without a mouse and a keyboard. Oh, and you don't need to use CapCut. You can literally use anything. iMovie, Final Cut Pro, Premiere Pro, your phones, whatever app you want to use, it will be fine. Now, in order to make these videos, we need 2 things. The screen recording of the reels and audios we just took on our phone, and our own videos or photos. For this one, there are a few things that you could use. You could find images and videos relative to your niche online. For example, if you're in the dog niche, you could find pictures and videos of dogs very simply. Use websites like Unsplash for free content. You could also sign up for a stock imagery website to get a ridiculous amount of high quality videos and photos. Or B, you could use mock-ups of your products as a subtle way to show off your products. I don't recommend blasting your social media pages with images and videos just of your products. This just screams buy, 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 and no one wants to see that. You want to be far more subtle with your approach. This way, over time, you can build a fan base and not just get a pitter-patter of sales here and there. For mock-ups, I use Placeit, not just for photos, but for videos as well. Honestly, this platform is just insane. There are thousands and thousands of photo mock-ups which we can use in our reels, but as well as that, we can get video templates and ready-made animated reels showcasing our product. For every 6 or so reels you make, you want to create one that's specifically showcasing and promoting your product. And you should be trying to post reels 2 to 3 times a day. So that could be a product reel every 2 days. Right, now that we have everything and we know what we want to make, let's go and make it. First, open CapCut on your computer if that's what you're using. Drag in your recording and split it up into individual reels because this could be a 5 or 10 minute recording of lots of different audios that you want to use. Then disconnect the audio line so we can see it more clearly. Next, you just need to add your images or videos. So for the dog niche, let's add some dog photos. Once placing them in line with your audio so it matches the beat of the music, play it through and see if it needs anything else. We can select the clips and add animations or transitions really easily. Then go to the beginning of your clip, click I on the keyboard, then go to the end of your clip and click O. This will allow you to select just that one video. Then click File and Export. Boom. You have one reel ready to go. Now you want to follow those exact same steps for all the audios that you have in your CapCut file. This one was just a simple photo reel, not showcasing our product, but just building up our brand. You can repeat this process with clips and images downloaded from Placeit. And if you want to get Placeit, I have an affiliate link down below where you can actually get 15% off. Now, onto the final step, execution. This step is very straightforward. Send the clip you made back to your phone and open Instagram. Then select the reel you've just made from your camera roll and find the same audio. This is really important because you want to make sure you're actually getting on that trending audios page. You can play the reel through and make sure the audio is matching your video. Then you're good to go. You can also mute the trending audio and just use the audio that's on your video already so that it's completely synced up perfectly. As long as the trending audio is there in your video, it doesn't matter how loud it is, that's what's important. Then add a description, a cover photo, and all the relevant tags you can find, and click post. Try aim to do this between 2 and 3 times a day. It shouldn't take long, and you can do this in batches. I try to batch create 10 reels at a time, and typically it takes me no longer than 30 minutes. Try this for a few weeks and let me know how you get on. This is an insane way to go viral, and don't forget, you're only just one video away from having that viral video. So if your first 10 or 20 reels or TikToks don't go viral, don't let it put you down. You only need one viral hit and you'll be set. I created a whole print-on-demand business using this social media method. And so far it's going really well. So if you want to see this social media viral method working in action, click this video next to start the series.